What's up, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hello. In today's video we are going to be doing this super cute limeade mojito nail, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this design, I'm going to be using the cute little fruit sliced fimo that I got in my last nail haul. I'll go ahead and link that video down below also. And then I'm going to be doing a ombre with the Limon says from the Nail Heaven Supply glitter collection. Sorry about that. The Tropic Like It's Hot. So I'll go ahead and link that down below also. So as you saw, I took a little bit of the Young Nails Cover Peach and I did that kind of as a transition color and a base. And then next I am taking that Limon Says and I'm just going to pack it at the tip and then start to bring that fade down just so it's a really good ombre and it's really opaque at the tip. After that is covered to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and start the ombre and bring that Cover Peach just over the Limon Says and down to the cuticle. I love this ombre technique with glitters or colors. I just think it's the most opaque way, adding that transition color, and it just makes it more seamless, kind of like when you're doing your eyeshadow. So next I'm just gonna kind of layer the glitter and then put another on top so that you can kind of see that depth and dimension. So next I'm going to add my limes and lemons. So for the limes, I cut them in half, and then for the lemons, I wanted them to be kind of more subtle and just like less noticeable. So I did them in kind of like wedges. So I did those in 4s. And then I kind of threw in these leaves just to give it more of like that refreshing, I don't know, minty look, you know? I'm super excited to do this little mini design just because I am obsessed with these fruit nails. I know we've all seen the strawberry ones and I've seen a couple of the limeade ones here and there, but I don't know, I think the limeade ones have my heart. They're just so cute. Maybe I'll do like a strawberry. I was trying to say strawberry and cherry at the same time, okay? Anywho, maybe next time I'll do a strawberry limeade nail. That would be cute too. Add in a couple of strawberry slices in there. Maybe like little pops of pink or something. That'd be super cute. Anyways, so next we are just gonna add up any little things that we want, and then we're going to encapsulate the entire nail. And as you're encapsulating, you just want to make sure that you're shaping your acrylic to the sides of your nail. That way at the end you don't have to file as much and you have a more crisp, clean shape. And you don't want to worry about the thickness too much. It's going to be a little thick and that's okay. Because we can just go ahead with our hand file or with our e-file, and we're gonna file shape and buff it anyways towards the end. So then you'll just kind of debulk it and just get it down to size. You just want to make sure your fimos and your leaf and your glitter are all covered. And when working on the cuticle area, you want to make sure you have their finger pointing down just so that you know that acrylic is going to flow downwards and not kind of like sideways, side to side, or flood back into their finger. And I know we all have those clients who like to see what we're doing. So what I kind of do is just make sure you're using a little bead and making it a little bit drier just so that it doesn't have time to kind of like flow all over the place if your client is kind of pointing her finger up or just like not allowing you to work with it as much. So I like to do like 4 or 5 beads, just depending on how long the natural nails are, how long the acrylic nails are. And I like to do that extra bead on the apex slash where the nail tip and your natural nail meet. So basically where you glue the tip, you just want to make sure you have a good enough strength and support. That's where a lot of nails snap, so you want to make sure you're good to go on acrylic. After you're done with that, we're gonna file, shape, and buff our nails and add our top coat. And voila, our limeade mojito nail is all done. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. If you're new, I hope you want to stay here and join our family. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you all in the next video. I love you all so much, beauty crew. Bye!